Vending machine? Are you there? It's me, Dwayne. I really need you to take this dollar. I'm very, very hungry and I want to eat some food, and this is the only dollar I have, and I know you might not think it's good enough, but I think it is, and I think you should take it, you know? I've been contemplating recently whether I'm happy, and I think that this moment, I'm at the edge of the abyss. I need you to take this, because if not, I don't know what my life is worth. So can you please just do me this favor and just give me this one thing, please? I would really appreciate it.